I honestly feel like this is where this hair needs to go. We are back with another bang. Welcome to my channel. So today I am gonna go over this vendor that I am wearing and how trash it is. Let's spill the tea on this hair that I have on here. You guys know what I do in order to test out hair vendors for my own business and for you guys on YouTube. So you guys know when I first got the hair, I was complaining about how rough the ends were. And yes, after washing it, after putting a light color in it, as you can see, I did do highlights. The hair did color and I love the color. The frontal, amazing. Nothing wrong with the frontal at all. I literally just put this little curl in here just to see what it was gonna do, but I am gonna curl the entire style and all of that for you guys. But I just threw on this wig. I used bold hole lace glue. I really like the lace. It is on there and stuck to my head. And of course the hair did color, and I colored the bundles in the back a little bit as well. And it did color exactly how I wanted it to color. So this hair there were no dyes that ran from it or anything. But the ends, I do feel like it's a processed hair texture, which you guys saw it was a big body wave hair texture. So I knew from the jump, okay, this is a processed hair texture that I didn't ask for, because I asked for a raw natural wavy. Whatever their hair comes in naturally is what I asked for. Yes, the Burmese hair was processed, which I already knew that, but I kind of wanted to see what raw textures they had, and this wasn't it. So I don't know if there was a communication issue or anything like that, but even though this hair is processed, it is still trash, because I could barely comb this wig out after I colored it. It was such a mess, and I was fighting with it the entire time. I let the wig air dry, so I didn't put any extenuous heat on her or anything like that. But she looks beautiful from the outside looking in, but I already know that I'm gonna have to fight with this wig. I don't know if I'm gonna wear her the whole 30 days. It's already about to be a no for me. I'm probably gonna wear her for like this week, and I might put her on one more time after that, because the lace is amazing, the frontal is amazing. I almost put this frontal on something else because I was like, I don't want to wear the hair, but for you guys, I'm wearing the hair and I'm dealing with it. I know how to make stuff look cute even if it doesn't last long. So the color came out fine. It air dried to a like really loose wavy. I literally just combed, look at this texture right here is what it air dried like. That's what it air dried like. So the body waves were still kind of there. I blow dried it and just kind of put this one little curl in it, and then I put the back up and had the front out, just so I can kind of do my clients this morning and look decent. But I have not put any baby hairs on her, and I probably will. I feel kind of naked without baby hairs, but I will probably put some baby hairs in her. But like I said, the frontal, amazing, A1, no tangles, lace was thin, knots were small, everything is amazing with the frontal. It's just the freaking bundles. And normally when I review vendors, it's the other way around. The frontal is trash normally, and then the bundles are normally perfectly fine and okay. But you know what? Once I saw the body wave bundles and how they were steam processed or whatever they do to it, I kind of knew that what it was gonna be like. Now I am gonna show you guys at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys what the Burmese curly looks like. Let me just tell y'all something. Not happy at all. I'm shocked that they're even, let me stop talking about people. I'm shocked that they're low-key even selling the Burmese curly hair like that, the way that I received it. But anyways, I'm going to curl her. I think I want some really big curls, and I want her to, I don't want her to be as layered, but I do want some big curls in her. I was gonna wear her kind of straight, but I don't know. I don't normally do straight hair like that. I don't really like it as much. I love curly hair, which I was super excited to wear the Burmese curly, but I'll show you guys what that hair is even looking like. So let me go ahead and put some curls in her, and then I will show you guys what she looks like. I'm thinking about cutting off these ends, which I talked to you guys about in my last video, because that's how bad they are. But I don't like cutting my wigs while it's on my head, but I might have to, which y'all, oof, I might have to, because literally, just like I said in my last video, from here down, the ends are horrible. Just horrible. So maybe I will cut and trim her up a little bit. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm gonna come back, put some curls in her, and show you guys at least what it looks like styled and everything like that. I'm wearing the hair. I always promise to wear the hair from these vendors just so I can get a feel of it, even if I do or don't like them. Oh, so I'll show you guys how it looks in a second. Okay, you guys, I did cut it. As you can see, it's chopped to like right here. And I'm definitely more satisfied with it now that it's cut. I'm leaving it as a blunt cut. When I take her off, I will probably put a little bit more layers in her and take out the weight at the bottom of the hair. But for now, I love her. I love her right now, how she is. I am just putting some big curls in her so you guys can see how I'm gonna style her. So, for those of you who watch all of my videos all the way through, let me know if you'd rather see the whole entire process of me testing out the hair, which it's a long video. It ends up being like between 20 to 30 minutes long, but I will do it and record, you know, step by step what I go through when testing out vendors. And I'm still gonna give you guys the name of this vendor. If you want to try them out for yourself, you definitely can. If you don't want to waste your time, you definitely don't have to. Of course, I'm using my Sebastian Shaper Plus for the curls, to hold the curls, and I am using my T3 curling iron with a, I think it's 1 1/4 or 1.5 inch barrel. I can't really quite remember, but the link is below for these things that I use in my videos. All right, so I am using this on the highest heat, so you guys know it can take a high heat. And of course, I never had a problem with the frontal. It's only the bundles in the back, you guys. So let me let this kind of cool down for a minute. I'm loving the color though. Just a slight highlight, nothing too crazy. Let me do this side a little bit. Curl away from your face. All right, let me get through these last few curls that I have. The hair is curling up nicely, especially now that I cut them ends off, which I'm very disappointed about, but it's all right. We still gonna get these looks. All right. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you guys have any vendors, raw hair vendors that you guys come across that you want me to try, I will definitely do so as well. And in the future, no lie, I'm probably gonna take this, I might take this frontal off of this wig and pair it with some better hair. I don't know. Their lace skills is miraculous, but their bundles are not so much. All right, let that sit there. This is gonna be a high tight curl, my last one. And I can't wait to show you guys the Burmese curly hair. Y'all gonna be like, what trash did they say? Y'all, I don't think y'all ready. I do not think y'all ready for that. There we go. But you know, don't think just because your hair is not as great as the next person or whoever that it's just the most horrible hair in the world. That is definitely not the case at all, because there is some people who sell not so good hair and they making bank. They making thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars still off of the community that wears wigs and weaves and extensions and all of that. So just because you sell mediocre or trash hair does not mean you can't make money off of it. It's all by the way that you sell it. I'm just saying. Everybody's out there trying to find the best hair ever, but stick to something. I would say stick to something that you like, you love, you trust, and it'll be amazing for you. Let me comb out these curls. Whew, boom, boom, bam. Hey, she looking real cute now. Amazing. Look, my phone over here ringing, but it's amazing, you guys. The hair, like if I was walking down the street like this, people would be asking me, where you get your hair from? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love it. It's so bouncy. It's so curly. It's so, you know, amazing. Little do they know the drama I had to go through with it. You could always make something look so good, okay? All right, twist that to the side, twist that. And she ready. Got my little color in there. This hair is ready. Love it, you guys. I wanted more color in the front than the back, so I put my highlights higher up, but she's beautiful. She is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. No issues. I'm glad the frontal was amazing, but that bundles in the back, not so much. All right, that's it, you guys. That is her. This is what she looks like. Amazing, beautiful. I'm probably not gonna keep her on long to give you guys a 1000% test on the hair, but you guys already know the problems. You guys know the issues. You can see how she looks on the initial install. Just had to cut them ends off and she ready to go. So I'll keep this on this week. We'll see how long I go with her. She ready. All right. So the information for this vendor is below, and I will go get the Burmese curly so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay. Hey y'all. Hey. So obviously this is not the same day as the earlier part of the video, but I totally forgot that I had to show you guys the Burmese curly hair and why I did not make a wig out of her, well, yet anyway. But the hair was just so dry. I couldn't really even do anything with her at all. So this is one of the bundles. This is the second one, and they look really nice as they are right now. You guys already know the ends are very dry, which I was questionable about already. This is the third bundle. And honestly, I could barely even like pull her apart to this. It took me so long to even separate the bundles. It was just a hot mess, hot mess. So that's the bundle that's already separated, which is 18 inches, right? But this is the other one. Look, it's already, and my bundles do not, oh my God, I barely even started opening it. My bundles do not, I don't know if they're more smooth or what, but my bundles do not unravel like this at all. Like, it took so long for me to even run my fingers through it. So I may or may not make this wig in the future. I'm not even sure yet. I'm gonna keep the hair to the side, take a minute to think about what I want to do with it. But the closure is absolutely fine. Not that bad. Not that bad. So, you know, I don't want to pair this closure with my bundles. It's okay, but the ends are still kind of dry, just a little bit, but we'll see. I may use the closure with my bundles, or I may tackle this hair in the future and wear it in the future sometime. I'm not even too sure if I'm gonna even make it. I might give the hair away, do like a one look kind of thing with it. I don't know, but the hair is not that great at all. Sorry to say, this vendor, the wavy hair wasn't so bad, but you guys already know I had to cut that hair and make it shorter just to get it, you know, doable. But this hair, the Burmese curly, it's a no for me. It's a no for me, baby. It's a no for me. I will be trying to find better Burmese curly vendors, but this is a lesson learned. This vendor is not it for me. You guys can definitely try it out. If you guys feel like you want to still give them a try, maybe I got a bad batch, I don't know. But from my opinion, it would be a no for me, especially in comparison to the Burmese curly hair that I have now. Not gonna happen. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment below any questions that you may have. I do sell my vendors on my website. I do not give them away for free, but if you want my vendors, Indian, Burmese, they're on my website. And subscribe to my channel. All right, I got more vendor videos coming for you guys. I just gotta take the time to wear the hair, let it process, you know, all those kind of things. And then I'm busy with my clients on a day-to-day. So they are coming, you guys. Any vendors that you guys want to send me to try out, if they're raw hair vendors or if they are Burmese curly vendors, whatever the case is, I'll try them out for you. I'll try to fit them into my schedule and try them out. I try to do 30-day increments from when I start wearing the hair to when I stop wearing the hair, just to get a good feel. So let me know. All right, you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I feel like this hair is complete trash.
Thank you.